Hi, how are you doing? You are welcome to Life of Andy. I know I have a lot of followers. I have a lot of subscribers here, and that's why I want to do this. I want to reintroduce myself to you guys. I've done that before when I started my YouTube channel, and now that I have a lot of followers, people following me, I feel it is necessary for me to do this again. So for my new subscribers, my name is Ndidi. You can call me Andy. I'm a mommy of 3 beautiful children living in Abuja, Nigeria. So this 2025, I want to be showing more of what I cook in my house and some of the food that I prepare for my children for their school lunch. And sometimes I'll be putting on 1 or 2 vlogs. I'll be doing more of product review. Okay, I'll be doing more of product review, and once in a while I'll be putting on my weight loss and healthy lifestyle. When I started this channel with weight loss and healthy lifestyle because I was actually on a strict weight loss journey. But right now I don't want to be doing more of weight loss and fitness. Okay, so all these things I stated there are the things you'll be expecting from me, and I need your support. And I want to thank you guys. You people have really supported me. You have taken me from 0 subscriber to 13 subscribers. That is huge. I want to thank and every of you who subscribe to my YouTube channel and who has stayed true to watch me. Thank you so much. I appreciate your love and your support. Thank you very much. And please, I want you guys to keep supporting me. Support me, watch my video, like my video, and also share my video. And I also want you guys to drop a comment under of my video if there's anything you guys want me to do, or if there's anything you want me to improve. Please do not hesitate to drop your comments. I love you guys so much. Concerning my weight loss journey, I will never ever give up, in as much as it seems I'm not getting it right. For the past 2 years, my weight loss journey has been a roller coaster. I wasn't consistent the way I used to be. And again, guys, this year I will try as much as possible to be consistent, because I know that I've been inconsistent in this channel. I don't post. It wasn't easy, and it's not my fault. I'm a family woman. I have children, and I have other things like business that I do, so I don't always have the time to do that. But I promise this year I will try as much as possible to be putting on video more often. I will try my best, I promise you guys, but I want you guys to support me. I need your support. Okay, I need your support, guys. So concerning my weight loss, for the past 2 years now, I've been in and out. Okay, in as much as I don't post it here, sometimes I will lose some weight, sometimes I will even gain more than what I lost in the past. So but this year I want to be really serious with my weight loss. And apart from weight loss, I want to be serious with my healthy lifestyle. Okay, because healthy lifestyle has a lot of health benefits. It will help to protect us from getting some certain sickness that usually come with living unhealthy lifestyle. So I want to take it more serious this time around. Hope you guys will support me. And again, I want to lose weight. I might not look fat to you guys, but I'm putting on so much weight. 90 kg is not a joke. Is an overload to my body, so I need to take it off. And my 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 target, I'm aiming at 75 kg. Right now I'm weighing 90 kg. I just want to take off like 15 kg from my present weight. I don't want to look too skinny because that skinny does not fit me, because people have been telling me, even my hobby and people around me, I know, I see it, because I see my face in the mirror, and I know it makes me kind of, especially my neck here, to be kind of I don't know, but it does not really fit me. Okay, I still want to maintain a little bit of flesh, so I don't want to go too hard on myself this time around. So I've already started my intermittent fasting. So for those of you who wants to lose weight this year, okay, and I feel the best way to lose weight, okay, because I've been doing this for how many years. I've done low carb. Yes, because when I started my weight loss journey, I actually started my weight loss journey with low carbs. I've never done keto before. Then when I added weight again, I use intermittent fasting. I think intermittent fasting is the best way to lose weight right now if you are living in Nigeria, because we all know that things are very, very expensive, more especially food. If you don't have money, you will not be able to feed very well. So for you to lose weight and still eat your favorite food, what you love, okay, without being restricted, I think intermittent fasting is the best, because intermittent fasting is whereby you fast, okay, you restrict yourself from eating food at a certain hour, and then after your fasting you eat food at a certain window, okay, and this allow you to eat your favorite food minus junks. You are not allowed to eat junks if you want to see results. When I said junks, bread, burger, pizza, buns, all the food that made up junks, okay. So, and you are not allowed to take sugar. You need to stay away from frizzy drink, sugar, anything that contains sugar. You are not allowed to do that, but you are allowed to eat complex carb, okay. Carb is not the problem here. The problem is the time you eat it and the quantity of the starch you eat. I remember last year around November, around between October and November, I started intermittent fasting. Within 2 weeks, my weight dropped from 91 kg to 85 kg. It started showing on my body. Even a teacher from my children's school were like, yeah, are you on weight loss journey? Because whatever you are doing is really showing. The result is showing. All my clothes became loose, and before you know it, I went back again. So I feel intermittent fasting is the best way to do it right now, because you are still allowed to eat what you have, okay, without breaking the bank, without spending too much, and you will still lose weight, okay, minus jones. So if you want to lose weight, okay, if you are looking for how to lose weight, you don't know how to go about it, you need to stick around in my channel, because I'll be posting my intermittent fasting journey, okay. I started today is my day one, okay. I'm fasting. This is about, I want to, because I'm all dressed up, I want to go and carry my children from school. I'm still fasting, okay. And there are so many ways you can do this intermittent fasting. For a beginner, I feel you should go for 16/8 I mean 16, yes, 16/8, whereby you fast for 16 hours and eat uh within 8 hours window, which will allow you to eat 2 times. Okay, when you fast, you break your fasting around 12 and have your first meal, then have your last meal between 6 and 7. Okay, you continue, then you continue. So for a beginner, maybe by time you do this for quite some time, you can, proceed to eating one meal if it is necessary. I don't think that one meal in a day is necessary, because you are depriving your body too much. When you deprive your body too much, your body metabolism will go down. You will be feeling hungry, and you might now overeat, which, so I will advise to start with 2 mad, okay, eating 2 meal in a day. So if you're interested, okay, if you're interested in this intermittent fasting, or you don't know how to go about, or what to eat, you should drop your comment under the comment section below, so that I will start covering my journey and put it here for you guys to help you and also to motivate you. Okay, but if I didn't see any comment, I don't know, I might still put it out here. So that is it. I don't have much to say. I might not look fat, but I am fat. I've added weight because my belly is so big. All my clothes are so tight right now. I'm weighing 90 kg. I want to take off 90 kg. I mean, sorry, 15 kg, so that I'll be weighing 75 kg, which is not bad. So